Valentine's Day is calling for something special. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious garlic butter steak bites. Easy, delicious. Before I begin, if you're new here, please take a quick moment to subscribe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. All right, guys, to begin, I'm using 2 ribeye steak. We're going to cut them into bite size. This steak is really nice, as you can see. If you want, you can remove the fat, but I'm just going to dice it into bite-sized pieces. You can tell this is about to be so juicy because of all of the marble on the steak. And I'm just gonna dice it into bite-sized pieces. All right, guys, now is the time to drizzle some olive oil on the steak. Mix it up together, just like this. I'm also adding a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on top. Mix it together. You can do this in a bowl, not too much because you want a nice sear on the steak. You don't want to add too much of that. And I'm going in with my seasoning. Now in here, I have onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, a little bit of ground black pepper, Italian seasoning. Yeah, just mix it together. And let me tell you, it smells so good already. I don't know if it's the W sauce, but it smells really good. Just mix it up together. I like my steak really, really well seasoned, so I have about ½ tablespoon each of the seasoning. Now it's the time to pan sear the steak. Let's do it. All right, guys, it's time to cook our steak. I am going to drizzle some olive oil. Now I have my cast iron on very high heat, as you can see. Now I'm going to add in my steak. Now just carefully add them in. If you want a nice sear to your steak, you gotta have the cast iron smoking hot, okay? Just like this. Ooh. I'm going to sear it for about, I'll say 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, guys, it's time to flip the steak over. Actually, give me a second. Let me grab the tongue. It's time to flip over our steak. Ooh, they are looking really good. Smelling amazing, of course. Ooh, yes. Just like this. Steak bite is really easy to make. You can make this in less than 30 minutes, honestly. Ooh, that side is really hot. So. Smells so good. I'm going to let it sear for another minute. My steak is almost done. I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of butter, and I have 2 tablespoons of minced garlic going in. And also I have some rosemary that I'm going to add in. Just stir it together. Nothing to it, quick, easy, delicious steak bites. You can pair this with mashed potatoes, over grits. Yes, you heard me. You can pair this with a side of broccoli. You know, the options are endless when it comes to steak bites. Oh, smells so good. Smells so good. And at this point, you can turn off your stove because it's ready. It's looking good. It's buttery, flavorful, delicious. All right, guys, the steak is done and it smells amazing. Let's give it a try. This is absolutely delicious, very easy, buttery, juicy. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Leave me a comment down below what you're gonna pair this with. Also, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you enjoy it. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.